How to insert images from your Google Drive into your Google site using your iPad. I took a picture of the Ozobot sitting on my desk with my iPad. Now I'd like to insert it into my Google site. I click and open my Drive app to upload the photos I took to my Drive. In my Drive, I click on the red plus sign and then click Upload to upload my photos. You'll find that red plus sign down on the bottom. Next, I want to click on Photos and Videos and click on Camera Roll because that's where my most recent image that I took of my Ozobot will reside. And then I select the photos that I want to upload and then finally click on the check mark in the upper right hand corner. Okay, now I need to locate my image. It is most likely named Image with numbers after it. I click the I in the corner and I click Rename. And I change the name to Ozobot. I also want to change my link sharing to make sure that it is open. Now, unfortunately, on an iPad, especially if you're a Google Apps School, you can't change the permission here. We need to have our permission set to public so that anyone can see our image on our website. We are going to need to take care of this using a browser on our iPad. I recommend Chrome as the best browser to use in this instance. Okay, I have opened up the Chrome browser on my iPad. First thing I need to do is make sure that I am signed into Google. Next, I'm going to click More, and then I'm going to click on Drive, and I'm going to use the magnifying lens and type in Ozobot. A little icon will pop up, and I will click on it, and it will bring me to this screen. I'm going to come over here to the box with the arrow coming out of it. Click that. It brings you to another whole screen of options, one of which we need very badly, our share icon. That's that person with the plus sign next to them. I want to click on that, and then I want to make sure that I choose Public on the Web so that everyone can see my image. Last, I'm going to click Save. Then I should be all set. Okay, now, in order to insert an image into my website, I need to know if I'm inserting it into the body of my website or am I inserting the image into the sidebar of my template. I'm going to first show you how to go and insert an image into the sidebar because that's a little bit trickier. Normally, you set up a text box in your sidebar, and in the text box, it allows you to insert an image. The only way to get it in there properly is to grab the web address or URL of your image. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So on our Chrome browser, we have opened up our image, right? And if you press and hold your finger down on the image, this message pops up. We want to open our image in a new tab. That's crucial because right now, if you look at the web address for this image, it's in the preview pane. It's not giving you the real web URL address. So open your image in the new tab. Go to that new tab, click on the web address and say Select All. Then say Copy. Now you have copied to your iPad clipboard the right web address for your image. Okay, so now we are back on our website and we have clicked on the little rotary icon in the upper right hand corner. And we want to place an image in this sidebar, actually inside this text box that's here. I've already inserted a couple of images as you see. So in order to do that, again, I click on Settings, then I come down here and I click on Edit Site Layout. That allows me to edit different features like my sidebar. I then click on Insert Image. It will give me several choices for inserting an image. I want to insert it by its web address. And right here is the little window that opens up for that. So again, I've clicked on Insert Image and I'm choosing to insert it as a web URL. I click on this little window and my paste icon comes up. I click on paste and I've pasted the proper web address, I hope, into this window. But let's see how you know if you did the right image. So here I've pasted the web address in and up pops my image. That's how I know that I pasted the right address. If no image pops up, somehow you have pasted the wrong address in, and start the procedure again. Once you've pasted that image in, you want to be sure to choose small because you don't have a whole lot of territory in a sidebar template. So you want to choose small and then you want to click OK. And now you see that my image is properly in my sidebar. Now let's talk about how to add images over here in the body part of your website. It's very simple. I click on the pencil or pen icon in order to edit my site. Next, I'm going to click on Insert and Insert Image. Come over here to Drive and down to Image. Next, I'm going to look for my image, which I know is called Ozobot, but otherwise I can browse through my images. Here it is. I click on it, and then I'm going to click Select. The image comes in really, really large. I need to resize this. I press down on the image, and this little box opens up, and I choose S for small. And then I click Save. And yay, my image is in the body part of my website. And that's all you need to know about putting images into your website on an iPad in either the body part of your site or in a sidebar template.